So really, BlueBotics opened up the future to us.
The item that's impressed me the most with BlueBotics is the ability to continue to innovate.
Bastian Solutions is, first and foremost, a systems integrator and part of the Toyota group of companies. In Georgetown, Kentucky, we focus on autonomous vehicle solutions, and to be able to bring the right solution to the customer, in many cases we develop our own AGVs. Our history in autonomous vehicles dates pretty far back, and all that history is based in magnetic path following primarily. While that's highly useful and extremely robust, there are many applications in material movement where you need to move in very discrete and unique ways in the same space. And with magnetic path following, that is not possible. And with the more complex solutions that we were asked to do, we needed a new technology that could allow us to make multiple different moves in the same space. So this really kind of honed us in on this natural feature approach, seeming to be the best option, where we could use the existing safety scanners to understand our localization in space. And that led us to a very select handful of companies that we could partner with to test. And at the end of that testing, we concluded that BlueBotics was the right partner for us.
When working with the AntLab software, the ability to create the map and then create your own routes inside the AntLab software is super simple. It's just a click of a button. Unlike the magnetic guidance where you had to rip tape up and then relay it, everything is just super simple, easy to work with, and very efficient. The major improvement for commissioning on site has been the time that it takes to install these vehicles. Manual labor has gone down tremendously and saved a lot of time on site.
With Natural Feature Nav, our concern was, could we potentially suffer if the environment moved or changed much? Would we lose navigation capability? And with others that we tested, we found that was the case. But with BlueBotics, we found that it was robust against the environment changing. By working with BlueBotics, it's unlocked some new things that we could do that we previously couldn't do with magnetic guidance. Even some new products that we were able to develop, like a counterbalance forklift or a pallet truck that's fully autonomous. This was really not possible with magnetic guidance. We couldn't take different pathways into picking a product, into the different pick and place points. But with this natural feature navigation that BlueBotics brought to bear, we could do all these types of applications. So really, BlueBotics opened up the future to us.
The item that's impressed me the most with BlueBotics is the ability to continue to innovate. They are always pushing the boundaries and developing new AntLab, Ant Server features. Here at Bastian, we use the Ant Server software in many different ways, from basic controls with bits and bytes to conveyor belt systems or robot cells, to more complex systems where we have 96 vehicles running and we use the API call structure with our middleware. Making simulations is very important for us to make it efficient on site. We are able to lay out the routes, we're able to lay out the traffic controls and test all this, whether that be one vehicle or 40 vehicles.
BlueBotics has been amazing at providing support to us. Their ticketing system, their knowledge base, the information they provide to us, but I think most importantly, just that they care about our customers and they listen to us.
You can submit a ticket anytime, and typically you are answered within one business day, so the support has been great.
That cultural fit we felt from the beginning with BlueBotics has sustained through all the years of working with them. There was a passion to bring value to the market and not just valuation to their company. We see that they care about our customers. They'll ask us about the applications and what are some of the problems you're struggling with and how can we potentially help you. This is sort of our attitude as well. And to have somebody come alongside us that sort of believes and thinks the way we do about solving these problems, that was really refreshing. I'm very appreciative of being able to grow that long term with them.